Okay, let's start our warm-up. Body isolations, then drilling. You ready? Let's go. Starting with your head, side to side, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1. Up and down, and 1. Hold your core in all the time. Ear to shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll your head nice and slow. Other way, 1. Both shoulders back. 1, 2. Big shoulder rolls all the way up, back and down. Forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back. Switch. Big. Don't cut it short. One at a time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest is lifted. Take it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rib cage and side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 4, 6. Forward and back and push. Try to just make your rib cage move. Nothing else on your body. And forward, side, back, side. Forward, side, back, side. Forward, side, back, side. Forward, side. Circle slow and 1. Really push it. Stretch that rib cage. Stretch. Speed it up. Hold that core. Good job. Keep going. Other way and forward. Side, back, side. Forward, side, back, side. Forward, side, back, side. Forward, side. Circle slow. Push. If the fast rib cage is just too fast, keep it slow. Once the body knows the direction, it can go fast. Speed it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips up. Hold that core. Just the hips are going up to the side, right? Don't shift weight and just move your whole booty, right? In the center, drop your weight, lift. Yeah? Remember, crunch that up. Bring the hip up to the rib cage. Up, up, up. My weight stays center. I'm not shifting side to side. Chest is lifted, core is in. Forward and back, and 1. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Drop the weight, forward, side, back, side. Don't move your weight from foot to foot. 2, 5, 6, circle slow. 1, 5, chest is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, speed it up. Core goes in. Pull that belly button to your spine. Pull it in hard. Try not to let anything else move. Other way and forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward. Good. Circle slow. Push. Chest stays up. When the hips go back, you're going to want to drop your chest. Don't do it. Speed it up. Belly button goes in. Pull it in. Pull it in. feel those obliques working hard. 2. Let's bounce, 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 bounce. Good, give me a 2-step. Get that blood flowing. Get your knees warmed up, your legs warmed up. Whatever you want to do up here, you can do. Whatever you want. Warm yourself up. We're dancing. Hey. Make it fun. Let it be fun. Don't think too much about, ugh, I can't even 2-step. Who cares? Just come on, let's move. In place. 1, 2, stay right here till the beat comes back on. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Good job, you got this. All right, we're gonna move into body waves. Ready? Diagonal yourself. Your weight is centered. Your chest is gonna come forward and up. Boom, bringing your weight onto your front leg. Now roll your shoulders back. Bend your knees, and then shift your hips back like you're sitting into a chair. Nice. Shift your weight back onto the front foot while lifting and sticking out your chest. Shoulders go back like you're gonna do a back bend. Now leave all of this here and bend your knees, and then hips back in the chair. Good. Try that again, nice and slow. We go forward and lift. Back, just the knees, and sit. Again, forward, back, knees, sit. Hold your core, forward, back, just the knees, sit. Nice. Forward, back, just the knees, sit. Forward, back, knees, sit. Forward, back. When you sit, all your weight's in the back leg. Forward. Let's put counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Smooth it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest, roll it back and sit. Chest, roll it back and sit. Chest, roll it back and sit. Chest, stretch it. Stretch. Stretch. Hold that core to support your lower back. If you're feeling your lower back hurting a little bit, you have to engage your core. Pull that belly button to your spine, and it will help it. Other way. Chest, back, sit. Chest, back, knees, sit. Smooth it out. 1. Chest. Good. Chest. Relax. Bounce. Good. Give your back a break. Good job. Body rolls are hard, but they get easier and easier the more you do them, so don't give up. And it will feel funny and maybe goofy, and your body's just like, ugh. But your body has to learn the pathway slowly, and once it does, you'll be able to do body rolls fast, and it'll be super easy. So stick with it. So I suggest you use this body isolation, body movement warm-up in a few different ways. One could be in the morning, starting your day, waking up your body. The other would be you're sitting at a desk all day on your computer, hunched over. Not good. This is not good. Your body is not happy. Third, before you start any of these dance videos, dance tutorials, dance combos, do this really quick to get your body prepared, the blood flowing. It's a great way to start. All right. See you soon.